Hello everyone, this is Matinik. Today I have the solar power bank that I'm gonna unbox. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. So the power bank comes with micro USB charging cable, and there's a user's guide which is so tiny and it's hard to read. The power bank comes with a built-in charging cable, which is a USB-C, and a lightning charging cable for older iPhones. This one comes handy if you forgot your charging cable, so you can still charge your devices. Right now I'm gonna try and test it by charging my iPhone, and as you can see, this one automatically charged my phone, and there's a LED display that shows the battery charge status, and this power bank came in at 100% full charge. This has 4 USB Type A connector. It's 5 volts 2.1 amps, and this one has also a micro USB port and a USB-C input for charging this power bank if you're using a traditional charger. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you on my next one. And thanks for watching. God bless.